Later I conclude. What's going on? Spit up.
Tell me who's better than Anatii. I fuck with it, don't know sorry. Cause the future suffers. Cause I got no sugar. To the king, forgive my sin. I wanna drink my love, my tears. On cause I knew comparison. I went in with a team. I'm standing on their business, talking all the whack rappers in the bin. I've been the best rapper in the city, talking my shit, I'm never showing pity. When I get up on the song, it's orders getting litty. Y'all niggas greedy, I'm a Kanye. Why you little niggas acting like a bigger target? Not a pocket. My flow is orders in the market, it's not a contest, I'm a bomb threat. Running like I'm in a cell, dropping all these balls like a nigga staying here. Hibernating for a little while, now I'm paying cause this nigga never fair.
Anatii